Welcome back to Corby Q. I am Corby, and today we are making homemade, hand-cut, double-fried French fries. Let's get this rolling.
Just don't let it go, 'cause it ain't no getting off till we get there.
I have been making some French fry recipes for the family, the Figaro fries, the nacho fries. Today I'm going to make some homemade fries, and this is how we're going to do it. I got some russet potatoes that I've already cut up. I'm going to show you how I do it. I got this old-fashioned French fry cutter. Just give it a push, and it pops out French fries. It's like magic or something. You put a potato in, and out come French fries. Now, making French fries at home is completely different than buying them out of a bag or running to McDonald's. These take time. If you want them right, they take time. So I'm going to take these French fries right here, these cut potatoes. I'm going to go fill it with water. I'm going to let them rest in some cold tap water for about 10 to 15 minutes just to draw the extra starch out of the potatoes so we can fry them up crispy. We are going to double fry them. The first time we fry, we are going to cook it at about 250 degrees in the oil just to get it cooked all the way through. After it's done doing that for about 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to take them out. We're going to dry them off. We're going to put them on a tea towel, a kitchen towel, just to get them as dry as possible. And then we're going to refry them at 365 degrees. Let me get some water in these, and I'll show you what happens next. Here are the potatoes soaking in some tap water. Going to let those soak for about 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to put them on these towels. We're going to let them dry, and we're going to start the frying process. Fries are out of the water, and they are draining on the towels. Let those drain, let those dry off for about, probably another 10 minutes. Just so that all the excess water is completely off of them before we fry them. Fries are dried in the fryer, ready to go. Going to go ahead and put them in for 250 degrees for 5 minutes. I'm going to have to do them in 2 batches because there was more than the fryer could hold. I'm going to let that cook for 5 minutes, and then we will come back. The fries have been going for 5 minutes at 250 degrees. They're starting to get a little crispy, so we're going to pull them out. We're going to let them drain, and we're going to let them cool off. We're going to crank this heat up to 365 on the fryer, and then we're going to refry them. They're going to be delicious. I took them out of the grease after they were done, and I put them on this towel to dry and cool off. Then we are going to fry them again. They've cooled. They are back in the fryer. We're going to put them in for a couple minutes at 365 degrees. There we go. Okay, we're going to let those cook, and then we're going to drain them, and then we're going to try them. After 3 minutes in the grease at 365 degrees, fries are done. We're going to get these out of here, and we are going to salt them. You want to salt them while they're hot, so the salt dissolves, sticks to them, all that goodness that you're used to. That might be a little much, but that's okay. Give them a toss. You can hear how crispy they are. Sounds delicious. Oh, fry down. I'm going to plate these up. Be with you in just a second. All right, these are done. Look at them. Look at they're crispy. You can hear it. Oh. All right, we are going to get some ketchup, and we are going to give these a try. Here we go. Grab a couple of these, some ketchup. Oh. Hot. Oh, so good. Homemade fries are the way to go. You might ask, hey, Corby, does it take a lot of time to do? Of course it does. Everything that is good takes time. You can go to McDonald's. You can buy some fries. with these fries right here, hand cut, homemade, double fried fries. So good. Do you want one? Yes. All right. It doesn't matter if you're baking it, grilling it, smoking it, or French frying it. Keep doing what you do. Take care.